Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. We'll go out later. I'm just gonna do a little drive. I think it's traffic again because, a lot of people are here in Baguio. More blessings to all of us.
Daddy, can you make my bowl like this stuff down like the axe, this one down like stuff.
So everyone, this is also our view from Camp Allen. A while ago, we were there in Quarry. It just straight. We have a straight view. This is my wife's house. There's our house. So thank you so much. More blessings to all of us.